All right, so up to this point, we learned how to filter out rows from our select statements, and we learned how to join tables that had a formal relationship between each other using the inner join as format clause in our select statements. Now what we want to learn is how to order our data. So we bring back a list of rows, but what order are they in? It's arbitrary. It might be by the order in which we added them, but it's not necessarily in that order. So typically what we want to do, for example, let's go ahead and select star from authors. And here again, let me close that and get back to our, there we go. There we go, the results. Okay, so in this case, we have these sorted in the order of their author ID because that's the primary key for this table, and it's the way that the primary key index works. And we haven't talked about indexes yet, but it's a way of organizing the data in the table to make retrieval very quick. So what if I wanted to order by a different column? I don't want to order by the author ID. That seems very arbitrary. What if I want to order by the name of the author instead? That makes a little bit more sense, right? So let's go ahead and add the order by clause using the name as the column that we want to order by. In this case, you can see that we have E, G, H, J, and K lined up very nicely. Awesome. What if I want to order them in descending order? Then I can use the DESC keyword. So I want to order by name, but in descending order. So we'll execute that, and now we have K, J, H, G, E. All right. What if I want to order by, so let's select star from authors. Let's order by date added. And then you can see it goes from the 28th, 29th, 30th, and we can do that descending as well. All right. So 12, 2, 1, 30, 29, 28. Great. All right. So let's then talk about books. And here we'll order by the, in this case, let's order by the title to start off with. All right, so the numbers come first, 1984, MOST, great. And now let me update one of our records. So let's set Moby Dick to $7.99. So we have two records that have the same price. So let's update books, set price equal to $7.99, where book ID equals, and then we'll grab the GUID for Moby Dick, put it in there, paste it in there. So now we should have two books that have the same, and let me just get rid of this because I don't want to accidentally use it again. We should have two books that have the same price. And the reason I did this is because I may want to order by books, order by price, like so. And at this point, then I might want to take control of the second column that I use to order by. In this case, I might want to say the second column, whenever there's a conflict, when there's two that have the same price, then next you want to order by title descending. In fact, just to make sure that we have this correctly, I'm going to say order by price ascending, but title descending. And this is a nonsensical query, but you can see in this case, 1984 should come before Moby Dick, but in this case, Moby Dick comes before 1984 because the conflict between two items with the same price, we're going to order by the title in descending order, making M, in that case, greater than 1984. Otherwise, we're going to order by the price itself. Okay? So that's how you order by both ascending and descending, and then use multiple columns in your ordering. Okay? So let's continue on. We're getting close to the end here and getting close to our last challenge for this course so that you can move on to the more advanced courses. We're almost there. You're doing great. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.